Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about iOS 18, 2 weeks in. I've been running this every day on my daily driver. I've been using my iPhone 15 Pro Max exclusively, as well as my my Apple Watch Ultra 2 on watchOS, the beta as well. We are expecting to get the second beta of iOS and watchOS and all the betas here tomorrow on Monday. Usually we don't get a Monday release. Usually it comes out of WWDC on the Monday, and then the next one will come out on Wednesday. But we are expecting it to release here tomorrow. At least that's what the rumors are saying. So if that happens, I just wanted to get this 2-week video out of the way on Beta 1. We're going to pop into the feedback application real quick here. I just did submit this one this morning about watchOS, and that is that the watch complications are slow to load when you first put on and unlock the watch for the day. That's something I've noticed over the past week or so, and I have seen some other people having that issue as well. So I did go ahead and put in the feedback for that. The only other one that I have seen that has any recent similar reports is some keyboard lag. I found that when I'm typing in like messages or messaging applications, if I'm just real fast typing on the keyboard, there seems to be a little bit of a delay between the keyboard and what's actually being typed. And it's not bad, but it is noticeable. And if you're typing for a long period of time, it does get kind of annoying. But other than that, not really much of an issue. But that is the only thing that I've seen that has a recent report. Like I said, I've shown you guys most of the other stuff I've had, like with the calculator app. The haptic touch right here shows copy last result twice. Just some random stuff like that. I really haven't had any major bugs throughout the 2 weeks on iOS 18 Beta 1. I have not had any device restarts. I have not had any app crashes. I have not had any app compatibility issues. All my banking apps, all my applications are working just fine. There's really nothing that I've experienced that would make me be like, I can't use this on my daily device. That's not saying that you guys should, because there is always the potential for bugs to pop up as things change throughout the beta, beta 2, beta 3, and so on. But beta 1 is extremely stable. I'm extremely impressed with it and how well it's performed. If Apple released this, I would say it would probably be stable than some of their other actual public releases. Thinking that we're going to get a beta 2 is actually kind of weird, because I'm like, wow, this is working. This is working so well. I really haven't had any issues with battery life. I'm at 78% right now, and I unplugged my phone about 10 this morning. And I was using maps on CarPlay, wireless CarPlay, phone not plugged in. It was in my pocket for about an hour and a half. And we're still at 78%, so battery life is doing pretty well. My watch battery life, I did say some things about that in the first few days of using it. It seems to have improved a little bit. I am getting about 2 to 3 days of battery life, closer to 2 days of battery life out of my Apple Watch. I actually used my Apple Watch Ultra 2 on cellular exclusively on Friday because I forgot my phone when I went to work. That really sucked down the battery being on cellular, but on a small device like that was to be expected. But like I said, iOS 18 Beta 1, very, very stable here on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I really haven't used it too much on the iPhone SE, but I have seen some other people using it on older devices, and other than the fact you are missing some of the features, I haven't really seen any complaints with bugs or anything over there as well. So that is iOS 18 Beta 1, 2 weeks in, probably the last Beta 1 video I'm going to be doing. And then, of course, we will be doing the Beta 2 video, showing you guys what's new, any bugs or issues I find in that. We are supposed to be getting some new, some of the other features that they announced in Beta 2, like the mirror to your Mac, so you can mirror your iPhone to your Mac screen and control your iPhone from your Mac, as well as iPhone notifications on your Mac. So hopefully those are implemented in Beta 2, and if they are, we will be showing those, so make sure you're subscribed for that. And of course, don't forget to check out my video. I did enable the new Siri here on my iPhone 15 Pro Max with a little trick I found online. So I do have a couple videos on how to do that, and they are on the channel if you guys want to check those out. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.